Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and this is going to be a quick unboxing of the Affver Q6 Dashcam. This is a mini dashcam with a touchscreen interface, which is really cool. Real quick, before you open up the box, take a look at some of the features. It says a 4K resolution. Yes, full 4K, which is awesome. 5G Wi-Fi. That's significant because as opposed to a lot of dash cams will use either 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to transfer videos, and it takes forever. Because this has 5G Wi-Fi, it's going to transfer videos to your phone really quickly, which is great. It also has that touch screen interface, which is very unique, especially for a dash cam that is so small. You're going to see it's a really tiny dash cam, doesn't take up a lot of space, has a nice touch screen interface, and then it does have a G sensor to automatically detect if you were to get into an accident or something. So let's open up the box and take a look at everything that comes inside. You get a greeting, so it lets you know right away how the camera works and some of the different things you need to know in order to make it work. And you've got your user manual right there, front and center, with all the important information that you need so that you will know how to use it and use it properly. You've got your warranty card here, and nice little warranty card and a few precautions to know before using the camera. So basically everything you need to know is right there. Let's take a look at what's in the box now. Oh, I love this. So these are the films that you put on your window. This way you don't have to stick this directly to your window. And these are great because that way this goes on your window and it's just static cleaning, and then the camera sticks to this. That way, if you need to remove it, easy to remove, and you don't get sticky stuff all over your window. So awesome that they include two of those in the box. And let's see what else we have. This is the camera. Save the best for last, so we'll get to that last. Lots of different things. I'm going to set that down so that we can get all this out and take a closer look at it. Here you've got your power cord. Now this is your traditional power cord, which will plug into the what I still call cigarette lighter, even though that's not really what it is, in your car. And cool, has a USB on the back, so even if you're using this for powering that, you also get an extra USB to plug something else into. And it's got a Type-C on the other end. Nice long cord so that you can use that. Of course, you could use your own cord if you already have a USB to plug it into or a different way to plug it in. But they do include this in the box. You've got some cable guides here. So these you can stick in order to guide that power cable up to the camera if you need that in your car. You've got a nice sticky pad here, and you can see very small footprint on that sticky pad, not large at all. So that's a sticky pad. I'm not sure if that's an extra one, if there's one already on the camera. We'll see that in a minute, but you do have this in there. Let's see. Okay, you've got your tool. This is the tool you use to, if you need to run the cable and underneath the trim in your car in order to hide it. This is the trim tool, which helps pull that trim away to run the cable there. And then I think that's it for the accessories, and here is the star of the show. I'm going to move the box out of the way, and yeah, you can see already it does already have that sticky thing on the back there, so they've just included an extra one, and that's great. I love that they do that. They really got you covered. You've already got one, but if you needed an extra one, they've got you covered. It's in the box, and you can see this is a tiny little dash cam. I mean, my hands are fairly small, and this is just, it doesn't take up hardly any space at all. Very, very small. Stick that on your dash. The camera's facing out. Nice, sleek look. I just absolutely love that. A dash cam that's this small and yet 4K resolution. That is great. And you've got your power button over on this side, and I'm guessing that's probably for speaker sound, because there is sound. It does have a speaker, it does have sound, I think, to let you know it's starting to record. Now look at that. There's your trans flash card right there, and it comes with this 64 gigabyte trans flash card. Comes in the box. You don't have to buy that separately. So that's awesome, because that's what will keep all the recordings that your dash cam is getting while you're driving. It does have loop recording, so it'll continually loop and record, and then it will save when it needs to. It will save if you need to, you have a rec or something, you can save it on there so that it will not record over it. There's your USB-C power right there, and that's where that's going to plug in order to give you power. And let's see right here, it says that is the mic. So you can probably have the option to record sound as well if you want to. But you most likely can turn that off in settings, as you can with most dash cams. But there is a mic in case you want to record sound. And there's just on here, lets you know what you need to know to connect to this for the first time, and lets you know you need to format that SD card so that it's ready to go. This is that screen, nice LCD screen. Of course, we don't have power, so we're not going to be able to see that in the unboxing, but nice screen. And I mean, that's probably, it's like good size, probably about the size of a large smartwatch screen. So plenty big enough to read, and especially to control the touch interface, but doesn't take up a lot of space. I mean, look how small that is. If that's in your dash, it's not this big bulky thing. It's just a really nice, neat, small device. But yeah, it looks really, really great. Again, it is the Affver Q6, and you've got the dash cam, you've got your extra pad, you've got the power cord, you've got the trim tool, all that stuff. Everything that you need comes here in the box, and this is everything that you get. That's going to be it for this video. If you like this video, please click that like button. Stay tuned for a full demo and review of this device that will be coming up, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist. You can keep up with that and other future product reviews. If you have any questions, post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. And yeah, that is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.